hill. Here I come. Ha-ha! Hey. Oh, Help! Hello. I'm having a hard time getting to the top.
Perhaps we can help.
I'll help. I'll help. I'll get you up the hill. I know I can.
Terrific team talk, Tell me, what's the plan?
I don't know.
Team? Kit!
Hooray! A new running kit!
I don't think that's going to help. Sit!
Hooray! I'm going up the hill. Hang on a minute. Hey! How about that?
Fit! H, I am going to get you up that hill because I am the greatest trainer ever. I am going to make you the strongest, the toughest, the fittest Alphablock in the world.
Hooray!
You can do it, yes you will.
I can do it, yes I will.
When you're fit, you'll climb that hill.
When I'm fit, I'll climb that hill.
Alphablocks are big and strong.
Alphablocks are big and strong.
We like training all day long.
We like training all day long.
Stand tall, arms out, hold hands. Sound down!
Alphablocks!
G. Tag. Terrific! Let's play tag. Tag, you're it.
You're it!
Gotcha!
Toodle pip. Take my hand. Oh,
Brilliant!
tub. Tremendous. A bathtub. Oh. Toodle pip.
So, what have you been up to?
Tea. A top. Tag. And a tub. The best day ever. Tell you what. Why don't you try it?
Super!
Tally-ho! Try it. Stop!
Oh. Sorry?
Tell you what. Let's play tag. G. Stag. You're it.
You're it. You're it.
Sorry.
Try again. Let's have a soak in the tub. Stub.
What does stub mean?
Terrible. I stubbed my toe.
Sorry.
Tub. Stub.
Sorry.
Tag. Stag.
Sorry.
Top. Stop.
Sorry.
Today had better get a lot better.
Alphablocks! Prank!
What's a prank?
I know. It's
A prank is when you play jokes.
So I can play jokes on all of you. Time to pop off.
Rope!
It's tea time.
Did someone say tea?
Sausages.
Did someone say sausages?
My nose is red, it's round, it's fun. I can play pranks on everyone.
Stink! I stink, and I stink too. I think I stink much more than you.
Friends, where are you?
Did someone call our names?
Trunk!
A long-range truck has got us wet. We are as wet as we can get. Run!
Okay. Silly sausages.
Did someone say silly sausages?
Terribly sorry, no sausages. A is playing tricks.
Oh. Have the prank stopped? Oh.
Stomp!
Stop, stop, stop. What's that? Oh, no! A boat is having fun with O.
Alphablocks! I just popped in. A picnic? Perfect!
Pants!
N. What use are pants?
This picnic is pathetic.
So let's do something about it.
You try.
Pants! N!
Let's try without N.
Taps!
N. This isn't going to work.
Snap!
I am going to snap my fingers and make a delicious picnic appear. Try telling your tall tales to someone who'll believe you.
As if.
Sorry.
No! No way! Tea and apples and cakes, and try pulling the other one. No way! I said try pulling the... Told you.
N! Alphablocks!
Sink.
Strange. Did someone say sink?
Teedly-um-tum-tum-tum-tum. Tea for two. Time for a top-up, Tiny Tea.
Stop! Something strange is happening.
Stink.
What's that smell?
Tell you what, it smells fishy to me. Think. Think, 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 stink. Think, 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 think,
Think, think, think, think. Invisible ink!
We think we know what's going on. P, please pop in.
What's the plan?
Pop in the puddle, P. And S, send for the others. We think it's time we had some fun.
I must say, this is fun.
Pink! No! Shh!
Alphablocks!
Ah!
Bam.
Bam!
Bam.
Ah! Ah!
Bang!
Bang.
Ah! Shh! Bash!
Bash.
Ah! Ah! Shh! Crash!
Crash.
Ah! Shh! Ah! Shh!
Smash. Smash.
Ah! Shh! Splash! Ah!
Splat. Splat.
Ah!
Tap!
Magnificent.
Nice! Perfect!
Top stuff, eh? That was truly the most tremendous trick. Here, have some tea. Typical.
Alphablocks!
Leave this to me.
Ah. Ah. Star.
5 points. Problem solved.
Ah. Not really. The thing I'm looking for lives underwater.
I know something that lives underwater.
Shh. Fish.
Your worries are over.
But I need something that lives underwater and has 5 points.
You mean something like a star and a fish? I've got it. Stand back, Alphablocks. Plus. Star plus fish makes...
Ah. Star.
Shh! Fish!
Starfish. That's right. A starfish. Thank you, Plus Man.
My work here is done. So long, Alphablocks.
Come back, sheep! Please come back!
Sheep on the loose? An unhelpful dog? This looks like a job for Plusman! Plus. Sheep plus dog makes... E. Sheep. Dog. Sheepdog. You've done it again, Plusman.
We can laugh, we can sing, la 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 la.
We can make
Anything, hold my hand, make a magical land.
When letters get together, we go alakazam.
We can run, we can slide, we can hide in a box. Are you ready for some fun with the Alphablocks?